Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Quaker Oats with protein powder. Measure 1/2 cup oats and 1 scoop protein powder, then choose milk or water for cooking. Stir constantly if you prefer creamier oats, or microwave with a lid for quick prep. Top with fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for flavor. Taste and adjust liquid or protein for desired consistency and strength of flavor. Combine dry ingredients first to evenly distribute protein powder and avoid lumps during cooking. Add cold or hot liquid slowly while stirring to reach your ideal thickness. For stovetop oatmeal, simmer gently and stir for about 5 minutes until creamy. For microwave, pause and stir midway. If you like smooth texture, pulse briefly in a blender. Finish with salt or sweetener to balance flavors and serve warm for best comfort. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for an instant, long-lasting fresh scent that makes cleanup runs and gym trips nicer. It's a little treat that pairs with meal prep energy and morning routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple additions to make each bowl interesting without extra effort. A dash of cinnamon and a drop of vanilla can transform plain oats into a cozy treat. Swirl in a spoonful of nut butter or Greek yogurt for richer texture and added protein. Fresh fruit or a sprinkle of seeds gives a bright contrast and extra nutrients. Taste as you go and adjust sweeteners or spices to match your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.